Swarnika Hegde from All Saints School for securing 94.8%. I request Swarnika and the parents to please come on the stage. She has got 94 marks in English, 95 in Hindi, 98 in maths, 89 in science and 98 in social studies. That is total of 474 marks out of 500. And she is getting the cash prize of 11,000 rupees.